Good day, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel of astrologer Anil Agarwal. We have been talking about the planetary positions from 1st of March and especially the solar eclipse and the Hindu new moon chart on the 29th March 2025, which is explosive because of the cluster of 6 planets in the sign Pisces, a totally watery sign. Now, this conjunction is taking a very ugly turn when Mercury, Venus, Rahu, and Saturn are coming very close to each other degree wise. So, I was just looking at because the burning question is that will there be an earthquake around the Himalayan terrain, Nepal, India will also be affected. So I pulled out the time when the earlier earthquakes took in the Himalayan terrain, and I have jotted down the time, and I will tell you the earthquake on 25th April 2015. The major planetary positions were Mars and Mercury degree conjunction in Bharani star and in Kurma Chakar as per northeast direction. And the earthquake was 7.8 scale. Now, in 1950 Assam Tibet earthquake, Mercury Saturn was degree conjunction, and the Kurma Chakar, is I have not written down the uh, star at the time of the what you call the earthquake, but the major conjunction is Mercury because Mercury is the karak for weather, and until unless Mercury is afflicted, see, there cannot be major earthquakes. Now, this was one of the strongest earthquake in Himalayan history, 1950 Assam Tibet earthquake, 8.6, 15th August 1950. And the third one, Bihar Nepal earthquake, a scale of 8 degrees, a scale of 8, and it took place on the 15th January 1934. Mars Saturn were degree conjunction and Moon and Mercury were degree conjunction. You see, as far as the eclipses are concerned and as far as the earthquakes are concerned, the relation of Moon and Mars, Moon and Mercury is very important, and if it takes place, then it is very bad. Now, it caused a severe destruction in Bihar and Nepal. The fourth one, Kangra earthquake 7.8, 4th April 1905. Mercury Jupiter degree conjunction. So, in all the 4 cases, we have seen that Mercury was in degree conjunction in major earthquakes with Saturn or Mars. Now, look at the present and the future planetary positions which are parallel to 25th April 2015 when there was an earthquake in Nepal of 7.8 scale. Now, see the chart. The chart is of Sagittarius Lagna at the time when Moon and Mars are degree conjunct in Cancer at 1 degrees. Saturn, Venus, Mercury, Rahu are in very close degrees, and Jupiter is in Taurus and Ketu is in Virgo. Now, normally it is seen then when the fourth house is afflicted, the earthquake takes place, and this is a Sagittarius Lagna. So, what is going to happen? Especially Japan. Japan has a Sagittarius Lagna. Japan can be influenced the most. And now, looking at, if you see the Navamsha, all the planets in the Rashi chart, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 planets in watery sign, and Jupiter has connection with Venus by exchange. And in the Navamsha, All the planets are in Rahu Ketu axis, and the worst part is Cancer sign has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 planets in Cancer in a water sign, and again in Capricorn, which is also treated as a water sign, Sun and Ketu. So, fifth morning, sixth morning and fifth night, April, and especially after 120 hours on the 6th, is most prone for a big earthquake. April 2015 earthquake. In the immediate future, following planetary positions call for alert. Saturn, Mercury, Venus, Rahu in close conjunction in totally watery sign Pisces. Moon and Mars degree conjunction in Cancer again in watery sign. Rahu afflicted motion from the 5th April to 12th April, and then 21st to 26th, then 4th May to 9th May, and then 20th to 23rd May, most critical for wars, earthquakes, tsunami, cyclone, natural disasters of magnitude. In this period, the brawl between the nations can also take an ugly shape. 4 planets in water sign in Rashi and 9 planets in 8 planets in watery sign in Rashi and 9 planets in transit Navamsha. This parameter is scary. Moon and Mercury in the star of Jupiter, who is the lord of Pisces sign and has exchange between Jupiter and Venus. 7th April, Moon debilitated in Navamsha further aggravates the situation. Again, 11th to 13th April, extremely bad combination, and especially the fortnight from 13th April is also very bad. Now, Veda between planets in the Nakshatra Sanghata Chakra as below. There is Veda by Ketu in Uttara Phalguni gives Veda to 6 planets in Purva Bhadra and 4 in Purva Bhadra and 2 in Vishakha, most prone for untoward happenings with magnitude, most vulnerable for earthquakes. No astrologer has used these parameters what I have used. The full moon chart of the fortnight is also indicates earthquakes. Sun, Saturn, Mercury in a sign, natural disasters of magnitude. Transit Mercury from Pisces to Aries, war between nations will take place, an ugly shape in the fortnight from 13th April 2025. Delhi and metropolitan cities and borders of the country will experience terrorist activity, explosions by Muslim organizations, air accidents, loss of life and property. A surge in the global seismic activity has raised concerns about infrastructure damage and aftershocks. India has expressed deep concern over the 7.7 magnitude earthquake in Myanmar and Thailand, while 7.0 magnitude earthquake in Tonga has further intensified the fears. Based on astrological combinations and calculations, the likelihood of aftershocks or new seismic events is high at the time frame from eclipses 3rd, 4th, 7th, 15th, 30th and 40th day from the last earthquake or from the last earthquake of intensity. The time frame are April, again the same what I have jotted down and explained to you, 2nd to 6th, 10th to 12th, and then 28th to 14th May, 28th May 2025. Places which will be influenced the most. The star lord is Purva Bhadrapad, in which the eclipse has taken place for the north direction. Himalayan terrain, Nepal, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Kashmir, Srinagar, Pakistan and Afghanistan. Saturn and Demon Rahu conjunct in Pisces for 59 days, and in the same Navamsha is explosive. Strong dust, thunderstorms and lightning strikes as per the time frames mentioned are explosive. The effect can also be in more in the eastern Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. The conjunction of these two malefics in Pisces, and there will be unusual rainfalls in the mountains of the North Himalayan. Mars fallen in the sign of Gemini in the star of Jupiter Vishaka indicates in the center part of the Kurma Chakra, and hence accidents, blasts, explosions, terrorism, earthquake in the southwest part of the India, and Goa, Karnataka, and southwest Maharashtra. So this is all, friends, and then I have also written an article earlier, Astrological Insights into Earthquakes. Can seismic activity be predicted? So these two articles are linked. So this is all, friends, I just wanted to share. Thank you very much for listening to me. Have a good day. Good luck. Bye bye.